After the successful implementation of 3 phases of e-invoicing in India, here comes phase 4. The central government has mandated e-invoicing for businesses with a turnover of more than Rs 20 crores. This will be effective from April 1st, 2022 as issued by the CBIC, that is Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. So it becomes really important to understand its applicability, impact, changes, consequence and how to get prepared for the same. Now in this video we are going to discuss all these things one by one. Hello everyone, I am Nikita Singhal from Webtel. Webtel is a proud solution provider that has generated 4 crore plus IRNs till now. E-invoicing has become a very important topic in compliances nowadays. Therefore, I am going to discuss important aspects about e-invoicing. So, stay tuned. Before starting this video, I would request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for regular compliance updates. Now let's find out who all are required to generate e-invoices. Earlier this turnover limit was Rs 50 crores which has been reduced to Rs 20 crores from April 1st, 2022. So now only B2B transactions, exports and their notes, if you are dealing in any of these things, so you are required to generate e-invoice. An exemption has been given to all financial foundations in the banking and insurance industries along with the non-banking financial businesses, products and passenger transportation agencies, business units operating in distinct financial zones. After knowing the applicability, now let's see what can be its impact and changes on the business processes. First, companies now need to segregate their transactions, that is whether they are B2B transactions and B2C transactions. Second, now no manual updating of the invoices for which we are generating e-invoices is required. Only the invoices for which we are not generating e-invoice, that is B2C invoices, so we need to update these data manually on the GST portal. Otherwise, for the invoices for which we are generating e-invoice, we can update it from the portal itself and there is no need to enter it manually on GST portal while preparing your returns. The most significant changes that companies may face are real-time generation and IRN capture. So IRN is invoice reference number which will be generated once we upload invoice on e-invoice site. So companies must decide with what they want to comply with among 3 available options. First is API integration, second is offline utilities and third is GST, so with our providers, that is GSP. For a seamless generation of IRN, businesses must integrate their systems with the government invoice registration portal. If the accounting software is not accommodated with the changes complying with the e-invoice guidelines and e-invoice is not generated, then it has very severe consequences, some of which are: for non-compliant businesses, the penalty is higher of both, which is Rs 10,000 or an amount equivalent to the tax evaded. For inaccurate invoicing, the penalty is up to Rs 25,000. For delay in generation of e-invoices, there will be no auto-filing of GST returns. For the goods transported without a valid invoice, there can be a detainment from the department for goods as well as for the vehicle. To solve this problem, the businesses must look for a compliance solution like Webtel's e-invoice for error-free and seamless e-invoicing to avoid any inconvenience. Since the implementation of e-invoicing in India, Webtel has been India's leading ASP and GSP player in the industry. We provide the fastest and affordable e-invoicing implementation regardless of what your scale of business is or what ERP platform you use for seamless integration, bulk generation of IRN, data validation, data security and much more. If you want to know more about this solution, then visit the link mentioned below in the description and let us know in the comment section if you have any doubts regarding this. Now give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you found this video helpful. Next Tuesday we will be coming up with another interesting video. to make compliances better for you. Till then, stay happy and stay tuned with us for better compliance journey. Thank you.